Hey guys, welcome back to JobStack. Today, I'll be showing you how to export bookmarks from Brave browser. So, in order for you to do that process, first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Brave browser. And now, once you are here, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines over here on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have the pop-up over here. And now from here, you should be able to see bookmarks and lists. So here, just simply go ahead and go for the bookmark manager in order for you to expand this tab. Now, once you are here on your bookmark, as you can see, I don't have a bookmark yet. So for example, I'm gonna bookmark Google over here. I'm gonna go ahead and bookmark this tab, select done. And when I go back over here, as you can see, we will now have the bookmark, and you can just simply select the three dots over here to the organize on the top right corner. Now you will have the pop up, and from here, you should be able to have an option over here, import and export. So for this video, we are going to export the bookmarks. So go ahead and click on this one. And now, right after that, as you can see, automatically you could rename the file and it will save as HTML document. Now from here, of course, you could just simply go ahead and select the location where you want to download the bookmark to. So from here, you would just simply go ahead and select save in order for you to export it. And now, once you go to the location that you had, you should be able to see it over here. And pretty much you could utilize this one to import it into other things or other browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.